I have the gift of seeing. That's how people call me this year. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problems and the solutions. Where there is God, everything and anything is possible.
Anytime you are going out, maybe you are going for a job interview, you are going to meet somebody to help you, you are going for a date, or you are going for maybe interview, appointment, what are you going to do? Get Six Flower Perfume. You are going to put one on your wrist here. That's you open the Six Flower Perfume, you pray on it. Remember, this is to draw favor. You want those people to see you with that eyes of, hey, let me favor this person. Let them have that positive feeling towards you. You are going to put small one on your wrist. You pray on the Six Flower Perfume. At this place that I'm going to, I want to be favored. I want to get this job. I want the target to go my favor. You pray what you want. Then you put small one on your wrist. Then you put small one on back of your ear, your both ear. So that anybody that want to tell you something, they will tell you something that you want to hear. If you are going for a job interview and you want them to tell you, you want them to tell you that, hey, congratulations, you have been employed, right? So you put it at the back of your ear, and you also put one on your neck. Yeah, those are the cardinal places you are going to watch. Place this Six Flower Perfume. When you do this and you go out, you'll notice that day, you don't need to wait. That day, any day you do this, you notice how people will look at you with the eyes of love, with the eyes of favor. People will want to please you. People will want to favor you that day. You do it. You do it today, you see the result today. If you do not do it the next day, you will not see the result the next day. That's how this particular one works. So this is a powerful way. You can actually use Six Flower Perfume to draw favor from anybody. This can also make the right people to come your life that right time. As the second use of spiritual perfume, Six Flower Perfume is, you can actually use Six Flower Perfume for protection. For example, if you are the kind of person that you believe that there are some forces that are fighting you, that want to pull you back, what you are going to do is that you are going to get Six Flower Perfume for cleansing, right? You are going to get Six Flower Perfume. You are going to add 7 drops to your bathing water. You are going to get salt. You add salt to your bathing water. You are going to get a day-old ash. You add it to your bathing water. Okay? You make prayers of cleansing on it, prayers of protection on that bathing water. You take your bath 12 midnight. Once you take this bath 12 midnight, so if there's anything at all that the enemy have already said to work against you, or that they will said within 40 days, that will protect you within 40 days, that any arrow they are going to send will not get to you. Any arrow that they have already said will be neutralized. So this is how you use Six Flower Perfume for protection. There are other ways combined with other items. You can also use Six Flower Perfume as well. So if you guys want me to make a video on that, let me know in the comment section. I will make a video on it specially for you. Then the third one, I'm going to teach you on how to use Six Flower Perfume. Then another powerful use of Six Flower Perfume is to draw money. Yes, if you are the kind of person that you need money urgently for a particular thing, or money is your problem, things are not really going well for you, and you want money to come to your hand, or money does not stay in your hand, this is what you are going to do. You are going to get Six Flower Perfume. After you have gotten your Six Flower Perfume, then you are going to get rice water. You are going to get rice water, like you can get rice, being in local rice or foreign rice. Wash it, that white water, that milky water from the rice. Then you are going to mix it with your bathing water. Then you are going to add 7 to 21 drops of Six Flower Perfume to that same bathing water. At night, you make prayers on it, that just like this Six Flower Perfume was made from multiple flowers, so you want money to come from you, from where you are expecting money and where you don't even imagine that money will come to you. I want this money to come freely, easily, and effortlessly. As rice represents abundance in the spiritual realm, you use this to connect to the word of abundance. You want money to come to you, you want to be rich, you want to be wealthy, anything you lay your hands on, you want to prosper, you know what you want and you know what you are passing through, then you make prayers. And when you are done making the prayers, you take your bath. And when you take this bath, no sex for 3 days. You can do this once in a week or twice in a month or 3 times in a month, your choice. So the more you do this, the more results you see. And meanwhile, there are specific day you must do this particular one. It's either you do it on Thursday or you do it on Sunday. Either of any other day, it might not work. So these are the 2 days you can connect with the spiritual realm using these 2 items, which is the Thursday and that of Sunday. Okay, and if you guys find this video helpful, do well to like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss other important video from me. Remember, where there is God, everything and anything is possible. See you guys in the next video.